Hello, are you someone who suffers from migraine headaches and you're taking medications for them, but you wondered if there was ever any other treatment that you could take that could help with this? I'm Dr. Aniket Venkatram, and today we will talk about botulinum toxin or Botox treatment for the management of migraine headaches. So, firstly, what is botulinum toxin? Botulinum toxin or Botox is a chemical. What this chemical does is it weakens muscles. It acts on channels within the muscles which reduces the muscle action. Because it reduces the muscle action, the muscles don't work as much. So this is most commonly used for the treatment of wrinkles in the face. You have these forehead wrinkles, you have these central wrinkles, and you have these smile wrinkles. These wrinkles are all formed because the muscle underneath is contracting and creating those lines. And as age increases, those lines become more and more deeper. What Botox does is it weakens these muscles, reduces the thickness of those lines, but at the same time it still allows the muscle to work so that your face is not expressionless, it's just that the lines aren't as deep. Now obviously the next question is, what does this have to do with headaches? What does this have to do with migraines? Well, Botox has been found to be a good treatment to reduce or prevent migraine attacks. The reason for this is that it has been found that one of the causes for migraines is that there are sensitive nerves, commonly in the forehead or in the temples. These sensitive nerves get irritated by the action of the muscle next to the nerves. Normally nerves have a protective coating around them. Sometimes the protective coating is absent. So when the muscle acts around the nerve, it irritates the nerve and that triggers a migraine headache. So what botulinum toxin can do is it can weaken the muscle around the nerve, and therefore the nerve doesn't get irritated, and therefore it can either prevent headaches or it can reduce the intensity of migraine headaches. So now you might be wondering, how is this treatment done? Can it work for every kind of headache? What are its advantages? Well, firstly, the patient has to be evaluated. This does not work on every kind of headache. This works on migraine headaches where there is a specific trigger point and there is a muscle which you can identify which is causing this irritation. Fortunately, that includes a huge number of patients with migraines. The procedure itself is done as a daycare procedure. We will see a video coming up of me getting this injection treatment done, as I suffer from migraine headaches myself. It's done under topical cream anesthesia and it hardly takes around 15-20 minutes and you're back to work immediately. The procedure, the effect of the Botox lasts for around 6 months. So it will have to be repeated after that. So the advantages of Botox treatment for headaches is that it is less frequent. You don't have to keep on taking medicines every single day. You just have to do it once every 6 months, and as I said, it's quite a simple procedure. The other advantage is that one, it can reduce the number of headaches you get, and even if you do get headaches, it reduces the intensity of these headaches. And we shall see all this in the next section where I get Botox done myself. And the third big advantage is, along with improving the migraine headaches, it also improves your wrinkles. Come, let us have a look at how this procedure is done now. So today I'm going to get Botox on myself, not for wrinkle treatment, but to treat my headaches. I suffer from migraines and I get headaches frequently throughout the month, and Botox is an effective treatment for migraines. So right now, it is before the procedure. I have applied a little local anesthetic cream, and this is under occlusion to help the cream work. What this cream does is it numbs the skin so that the pricks of the Botox are not painful. I have done the marking now for the headache. We'll be injecting this muscle known as the corrugator, which can be a trigger for headache. In this video, we can see the Botox procedure being done. This is done under topical anesthesia, which means a cream is applied on the injection site and the cream is left for around 15 minutes. The cream numbs the skin. Then the injection itself is done with very fine 30 gauge needles, which are thinner than a hair. So there is no pain felt. The whole procedure takes around 5 to 10 minutes. It is being done here by Dr. Venkatram with all COVID precautions. Afterwards, the patient is free to go home immediately. There is no downtime. The only aftercare is that for the day that the injection is done, the area of injection should not be rubbed. From the next day, everything is done as normal. So I finished the procedure and now I'm ready to go back to work and see patients. That's the beauty of simple in-office procedures like this. You do them, it takes 10 minutes and you're back to work immediately. There's no downtime. Hello, this is an update on my vlog. It has been 4 days since I got Botox injected for my headaches, and I feel better. I feel different. I feel like my one nerve here is less sensitive, and I'm feeling less prone to headaches. Also, I can see the effect of the Botox. My muscles contracting aren't as strong as before. The line is not as strong as before, but at the same time, it's not zero. So my face is still expressive. So far it feels quite good, and I'm going to wait and see over the next couple of weeks how Botox for headaches works. So that was an overview of the procedure. I hope you enjoyed it. I had it done around 2 months ago, and I can really say that it has improved my migraine headaches. I have less frequency of headaches, and when I get it, I also have less intensity of headaches. And also, it will help me reduce, it will prevent me from developing wrinkles on my face for the future. If you like this video, do like it, do share it, and do subscribe to our channel. If there are other topics that you would like videos on, do mention them in the comments and we'll try to make videos about them. If you want to get in touch with us, our information is in the description and it will be coming up on the screen shortly. Thank you and have a great day.